Right, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I want to teach the song Hope Again by Jeremiah Paltan. And the song is pretty simple. It's only like 3 or 4 chords, but it gives you the freedom to use whatever voicing that you want for those chords. The song is in E flat, and it starts off with this melody. I'll first do the right hand, and then I'll show you how to combine both hands. It sounds like this. Sounds a little bit weird without the left hand, but we'll get to that later. So the melody, it starts with these notes: F, G, B flat, C, then E flat. Then it goes into a B flat chord. Then it plays these 2 notes, C and E flat, goes back to B flat. Then it plays these 2 notes, A flat and C, and goes into E flat. Then it repeats without that initial portion of the melody. Alright, so now if we combine it with the left hand comes in when the B flat chords comes in the right hand. Alright, so what I mean by that is right there, that's when the left hand would come in. And the chord that we play for the left hand is a G minor. If we combine B flat in the right hand with G minor in the left hand, we got a G minor 7. That would be like a simpler way of forming those extensions on those chords, right? Next chord on the left hand would be a C minor, all right? The way that I play it is the root note, the 5th, which is G, and the minor 10th, which is E flat. The right hand is still on B flat, all right? And that forms a C minor 9/11 chord, all right? Then the next chord is, as I said before, E flat on the right hand, but the left hand plays a F minor chord. And that makes, in total, a F minor 9/11 chord. So that's the beginning of the song. Then, after like 2 measures, you can switch it up a little bit and add a 4th chord. The 4th chord comes right after the 3rd, so right after F minor 9. The chord that I play is this one. I do like a little grace note right there. So I'd go from the left hand is playing A flat and initially plays F, but then goes to G. It does the same on the right hand, F and then to G, but I also include an octave of C. So it goes like that. And that's basically a A flat major 7, all right? So it sounds like this. And then from here is where we get a little bit more freedom with the song. We can switch up the chords a little bit, or rather the inversions of the chords. So I play, instead of playing up here, G minor 7, I start playing here. It gives it a little bit of more bass to the song, right? G minor 7 like this. Then I play C minor 9/11 like this. And then I play F minor 9 here. You can play it like this. It's basically the F, the 5th, and the octave. Then the right hand is playing G, A flat, B flat, and E flat. There's a couple of little voicings that you can do. This is another favorite of mine. It's a little bit more difficult to reach, but if you can do it, I invite you to. And then we go back to that A flat chord. A different voicing for the A flat chord can be this. And as you saw, I did another grace note right there. I would say that the most important part of playing these chords is just maintaining that rhythm of like dun 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 dun. Just to stay a little bit more original to the song. That's another way to play similarly to the beginning, how I did it switches a little bit over here. You can do it starting with these two notes, going into a G minor 7, then a C minor 9, then you go back and play a F minor 7. Then at the end of the song, before like the synth and the pads come in, what I do is so I bring it up a little bit in the register of the piano, and I play E flat, back to this G minor 7, then I go up to C minor 9 over here. Then I play G, and I end over a F minor 9. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I'll be playing the whole song without any interruptions so that you can get a better idea or steal more chords or whatever you can and keep on learning, all right?